At reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving, we take pride in being a trusted paving contractor serving the Ruskin area. With years of experience and a team of skilled professionals, we specialize in providing top-quality paving solutions for residential and commercial properties. We understand that every project is unique, and that's why we take a personalized approach to meet the specific needs of our clients. From driveway paving and parking lot installation to asphalt repairs and seal coating, our goal is to deliver exceptional craftsmanship and outstanding customer service. Ruskin, located in Hillsborough County, Florida, is a vibrant city with a growing population. As of 2021, the population of Ruskin was approximately 26,000. The city is served by multiple zip codes, including 33,570, 33,571, and 33,572, and 33,575. Ruskin is home to several diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and character. Some notable neighborhoods include Cypress Creek Village, Mira Lago, River Bend, and Bahia Lakes. Choose reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving for exceptional asphalt services. Contact us today for a free estimate and let us transform your property.